Hello everyone! Welcome back to another episode of Bites and Breaks. Today is Saturday, so that means BGC Day. Unfortunately, maulan ngayon kasi usually pagdating namin, ang una namin ginagawa is magmerienda and then magko-coffee kami and walk around until dinner time. So dahil maulan, we have to stay mostly indoors. Meron akong intrusive thoughts pag nagpupunta ako sa SNR. Yun, bilhin lahat ng mukhang masarap sa ready-to-eat section and bakery section nila. So for today, gagawin natin siya. So tara, sama kayo, kain tayo. Okay, dito na tayo sa SNR, so pasok na tayo. Saan na si Mama? Pumasok na? Afternoon. Okay, so dito yung hot food section nila, pero mamaya na tayo dyan. Mas prayo ko kasi yung mga hindi pa natin natatry, which is dun sa loob. Tara. Okay, ito na yung ready-to-eat section nila. Isa to sa gusto kong itry. Yung lasagna, I've heard good things about this. Wala yung sisig, no? Sarap daw yung sisig nila. Well, the chicken, we've tasted this and it's quite common. So, sige, lasagna. One lang, no?
Tama na yan.
Okay. Ayan, meron silang mga naka-promo. May gusto ka dyan, Manu? Ito ata yung tinitinan niya nung nakaraan eh. Mocha.
Ganun.
Vanilla? Asa yung vanilla? Ooh, cakes! Ito ang isa sa mga tinitingnan ko lagi rito. So, let's try. Ay, ito. SNR chocolate fudge cake. This looks good. So, kukunin natin lahat ng mukhang masarap sa paningin natin. Ano para?
Kainin lang to.
Yeah. Caramel, ube. So, mantikman yun? Or tingin pa tayo doon?
Tingin muna.
Wala siyang ganong appeal sa akin eh. Ayan, tingin pa tayo. Okay. Ito daw ang gusto ni Manu. Vanilla marble. Let's try that. And then, cookies. If you guys have been watching me for quite some time now, you'll know that I'm the cookie monster. Let's try one of each. Yung choco chip.
Ito yan
Yan. Sige, one of
Mas
each.
maganda to.
That one. Yung chocolate
Iba
chip.
yung tsura.
Oo nga, medyo nag-iba yung tsura niya. Yan. And then macadamia. Let's try this too. And crinkles ba? Try natin.
Sige.
Sige, let's try their crinkles. Parang malambot yung box nun. Ito na lang.
Ito naman natin na
Yeah. Yeah, and the brownies, I wanna try that too.
Kunin ko to.
Yes.
Sabi mo kasi ata itong nakuha mo.
Ito, salted caramel brownies. Mayat maya, nag-a-alarm yung alert. Sige, what else? Yung mga muffin nila hindi pa natin na-try, no?
What's the started yan?
Kaya nga, naghanap ako ng assorted, kaso parang walang red velvet. It looks good. Yeah, I like this. Sige, yan. And then, ito na ata yung pinaka-closest nila eh. The variety. Sige, let's try this. Ito. And then, sige, tingin pa tayo ng iba. Manu, ano pa gusto mo? Oh, they have Portuguese egg tart. Let's try this. Ito mukhang maganda. And then, ano pa?
Ano yan?
Yes, let's try that. What else? Mano, ano pa? Ano to? Cheese. May cheese roll din sila sa ilalim mo.
Philippine Spanish bread.
Bakit violet? Ano yan? Blueberry pie. Gusto mo? O, sige, try natin. This one too. Ensaymada. Ano ba yan? Ang ingay nung alert. Sabay-sabay. Ayan. Tingin pa tayo rito. Muffins na lang din to. Hmm. Yeah, I think it's the same as what we saw doon. This one, medyo kakaiba to. Parang, Oo nga, no? Buy one, take one.
May magkaiba ba?
I don't know. Parang, oo, magkaiba. Iba yung flavors niyan. Yeah. Daan pa tayo dun sa di ba meron dun misa parang mga salmon. Yeah. So, okay na kami sa pastries. Tingnan lang natin kung meron sila rito ng mga sashimi. And then, let's go to the hot food section na. Okay, feeling namin kulang kami sa cake. So, balik tayo. Let's see. Hmm. Parang, this is mocha. I wanna try this. Walang half. Ang laki ba?
Ano ba?
499. Ano pa? Yung iba parang ano no? Uy, chocolate cheesecake. Ay, hindi. Mas masarap yung ano.
Yung cheesy yema, parehas lang ba sila? Yung cheesy yema.
Ano mas gusto mo? Ito or yung cheesy yema?
Opo, kakaramel.
Yeah, mo caramel yan mukhang masarap. Yan na lang. And then, ano ka sa baba? Dulce de leche. And then this one, honey crunch. No, I don't think I like that. Ito, we have California maki and salads. Tapos, meron na rin. Ay, ba't bukas? Meron na rin sila ng chicken meal dito. Sayang wala yung cupcake. Usually may nakikita ako na yung assorted cupcakes nila. I think it gives you a better idea of what their different cakes look like. Okay, go. Get it. Gusto daw ni Manu yon. And then maybe let's get a California maki. Ay, ayun. Ito. Huwag na yan. Ito pala yung nahanap ko. Should we go for tuna or salmon? Let's go for salmon. Ayan. So far this what we have. So, order na tayo sa hot food section and we're good to go. Tara, punta tayo sa counter. Okay, let's start scanning. Okay, so our total is 5,160. Dito na tayo sa hot food section. That's the menu. Sige, pili tayo. Most of you familiar na naman kasi very usual to. Pero since magme-merienda tayo, sama na rin natin siya.
Ito lang daw.
Ato lang. Eh di slices na lang bilhin natin.
Oo.
One slice of each. Our total here is 2,088. Okay, so nandito na yung lahat ng binili natin. Ang kulang dito sa hot food is yung chicken and wings kasi niluluto pa siya. But anyway, we got the hot dog, we have salmon, we have pizza, chicken, that's cheeseburger. And then ito, yung lasagna nila. This is breakfast roll, I think. And then yung iba't ibang pastries. So we got the cookies, we have the blueberry pie, this chocolate fudge cake, this is the ensaymada, this is salted caramel brownie, we have crinkles, that's also cookie, then let's try their different muffins, we have the egg tart, we have the mocha cake, and their vanilla marble cake. So yan, I'm so excited. Try na natin siya. Okay, so start na tayo. Pinaka-excited akong itry itong lasagna kasi sabi nila, masarap daw to. So ito yung una nating itry. Let's get a little bite. Actually, ang hirap kasi malalim siya. Oopsie. Malalim yung layers niya. Ang sarap nga. Hindi siya yung Italian lasagna talaga. Medyo adjusted siya to Pinoy taste. Medyo manamis-namis siya, pero ang sarap. Meaty and cheesy. Good nga. Okay. Try naman natin. Ito, I've tasted this before. Their burger. And hindi siya ganun ka-appetizing din, pero masarap to. It's juicy. No. It's good. Tapos yung cheese niya, American cheese talaga. Masarap. Okay. Next naman natin itong roll. I think, alam ko, 2 roll yung in-order ko eh. Or isa lang. Anyway, I think this is the breakfast roll. Yeah. Ay, hindi. Isa nga lang in-order ko kasi natikman ko na yung spinach roll nila. Pero this is the breakfast one. Oh, so good. Grabe. 150 lang ata yun. Okay, next natin is eto. Hindi rin siya ganun ka-appetizing din ah. Pero this is good. This is all beef hot dog. Mmm. So good. It's simple pero sakto yung lasa. Very meaty. Hi, Surreal! Okay, let's try the pizza. Ay! Malalaglag. Can you hand me? Thank you. Okay. So this is the pepperoni pizza. Naku, dapat pala dinala ko yung honey ko. Hi, Cyril! You want some? Try the pizza? Yeah, I'll try the pizza first. Ang laki. Mmm.
You guys better subscribe.
Wow. It's been a while since tinry ko yung pizza nila. It's actually good for the first 100 plus lang yung first slice. 140 or 150. I like the pepperoni too. Masarap siya. Let's try this one. I forgot the flavor. Kung ano to. They have everything here. Onions, olives, palm meat siguro. Let's try it. Very prominent agad yung olives. It's good. Sarap din. Now, let's go to ito. Yung cheese pizza. There's just plain cheese. Very, very ordinary and plain cheese pizza, but it works. Harap. Okay, sakto. Nandito na yung chicken. Ay, alam niyo ba, honestly, isa sa favorite ko na chicken in the whole Philippines yung sa SNR kasi it's very affordable and bukod doon, masarap siya. Like, very crispy skin, tapos juicy yung meat niya. Yan. So, let's start with drumstick. My God, ang sarap. Perfect. Yung gravy nito masarap din. Ayan na, dumating na yung isa pang slice ng pizza. This is yung may shrimp. Anong name dito? Basta yung may shrimp. Garlic. Ayun, tagal ko nang hindi tinry ito. Ang sarap. Yeah. That's really good. Amin mo yung garlic. Okay. Now, let's try yung... Andiyan na ba yung wings?
Oh, ito.
Ayun. Mano, can you hold this?
Saka ito.
Yan. Ito yung honey sriracha wings. Yung garlic parmesan, na-try na namin yun dito. Hindi ko siya matandaan kung good, pero siguro it was okay kasi hindi siya nag-stand out sa akin. Let's try this. Honey sriracha. Ayun na. Oh my God. Manghang ba? Hindi na parang sa unang kagat mo parang magkikit-in yung anghang pero hindi naman. Hindi siya sobrang anghang. Okay. Alam ko meron pa kayo isa in order eh. Wait lang ha. Ayun, yung chicken sandwich. Yan. This is the chicken sandwich. This is spicy, so hopefully hindi naman sobrang anghang. Harap ng sauce niya. Yung sauce niya malapit ng konti sa Chick-fil-A sauce. Tapos crispy yung chicken. Ang sarap nito. So good. Chicken sandwich.
Chicken?
Hindi. Parang Chick-fil-A yung sauce niya. It's so good sa pa. Okay, now let's try the salmon. Tikman natin siya. Ay, ang sarap. Yeah. Kahit na nandoon siya sa frozen section, it tastes fresh. Walang kalansa-lansa. So good. Okay, dahil Cookie Monster tayo, ang uunahin natin sa dessert is yung cookies. So let's start with, ano kayong pinaka hindi matamis? Siguro ito muna. The white chocolate and macadamia. Macadamia nga ba to? Yeah, I think so. Let's try it. It's quite okay. May lasa siyang medyo mabango eh. I'm not a fan of this one. Hey, sir, you wanna try? Next.
I better buy the fry.
Alright. Now let's try the chocolate chip. Nag-iba yung tsura niya. Yung previous chocolate chip nila mas ano eh. Mas manipis, mas malak ng konti. Did you like this? Yeah.
See,
Masarap yung chocolate niya, pero yung pinaka-cookie itself, hindi gano. So this one is also no for me. Hindi siya pasada. This one is a chocolate cookie with sea salt. Have you tried this? Yeah, let's try it. Come on. No, it doesn't have nuts. Just sea salt. Okay, try it first. You put too much Vaseline, I think.
I didn't put back.
Okay. You like it? Really? Can I taste? Gusto niya. Let's taste it. I'm sorry. It has not.
No.
Yeah, but it's good. Just not.
Can I eat this?
Yeah.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna go now. Bye bye.
It's choco walnut and sea salt. It's good. That one is good. Okay. Next natin, ito. Pringles. Ay, ang sarap. Ewan ko lang kung na-try niya yung... Kasi nung 90s, nung unang labas nito, may natikman ako na ang sarap talaga. Tapos, may mga lumabas na medyo matigas na... This one is really good. Like, soft yung loob niya. A little bit crispy yung outside. Tapos, ang sarap ng powdered sugar. This is good. What's the next one that we should try? Try muna natin yung mga, try muna natin yung mga madadali. This one. Egg tart. Okay, let's see. Ay! May weird taste din siya. Wait, one more. It's not good. Hindi ko malasahan yung pinaka custard and egg niya. I don't like this. I wouldn't buy that. Okay. Let's see. Let's try this one. Ito I think this is blueberry muffin. Let's bite into it na lang. Wow! This is actually my first time to try their muffins. Hindi ko in-expect na ganito kalambot yung muffins nila. Kasi pag tinignan mo siya, mukha siyang a little bit dry. First, really soft. Tapos, ang sarap ng blueberry. This is good.
I wanna join you.
Okay. Next, let's try this one. The chocolate muffin. Wanna try?
Did this yet?
Yeah, it's really good. Try the crinkle. This one, oh. Ito, ta. Yeah, try that. It's really good.
It looks so yummy.
Yeah. You like it? Yeah. Now let's try this chocolate muffin. Ang lambot ng muffin nila.
I'll be right back. I'm just gonna put this up.
That's so good. Kaya pala yung iba, pag nakikita ko, binibili nila yan. Okay, next muffin tayo. I think this is banana walnut, if I'm not mistaken. Or carrot walnut. We'll find out. Bango. Mocha ata po yan. May lasang mocha. At ang sarap ng walnut. Sobrang good nito. I have to find out what flavor this is. I really like it. Ayan. Next one is chocolate naman to na may walnut din. This is good pero mas winner sa akin yung parang mocha. Okay. Let's try this one. This one is, I don't know, I think it's plain muffin with chocolate chips. Panalo yung muffins nila. I like it. Hindi ko in-expect talaga. Okay. Last one for the muffin is this one. Red velvet. So I'm a sucker for anything red velvet. So let's try this. Actually, I'll get I got a spoon because gusto ko yung icing niya or yung frosting niya sa gitna. Let's see if it's all the way through or sa ibabaw lang siya. Oh, ay, nalaglag. Mukhang sa ibabaw lang siya. Anyway, let's taste it. Decent yung frosting. I mean, that cream cheese. Let's try the muffin itself. Yeah. Kaya siya, kaya wala kang makikitang assorted na kasama to kasi it's premium. Masarap siya. Sana lang mas nilagyan pa nila ng cream cheese yung gitna. Perfect na yon. Okay, next. This chocolate fudge cake. I have high hopes for this. Feeling ko ang sarap-sarap niya. So, let's see. Ayan siya, oh. The chocolate itself, hindi siya ganun katamis. Pero the caramel, matamis siya. For the price, this is like $199. I think this is good. Malambot din yung cake niya. I like this one. You wanna taste this one? Chocolate fudge cake?
But what are those?
Caramel. Try it. This one. It's good, right? This one is good. It's really good. Okay, next natin. Ito, ang laki. This is the caramel mocha. So let's try it. Ooh, ang ganda ng loob niya. Kaso, nahirapan akong i-turn over. Pero yan, if you can see it, yun siya. Uy! Panalo nga to. Kasi yung loob niya, ito yung itsura ng loob niya, oh. This is good. Must buy. Okay. Medyo napapagod na ako. Pero ginusto ko to. Fantasy mo yan, di ba? Panindigan natin. What's next? Okay, let's try this one. Yung... help. Let's try the brownie. This is salted caramel brownie. Ayan siya. Oops, mabango siya, pero I don't know kung matigas siya or very makunat lang siya. Pasado rin sa akin to. It's so fudgy. Kaya pag inano mo siya, kasi ano siya, dense. Tapos fudgy siya. This is good. Next natin. The Ensaimadas. Okay, let's try the ensaymada. Ang lambot ha. Sakto lang. Uy! Biglang sumipay yung cheese. Ang sarap. Yung bread niya, sakto lang. Malambot din naman siya. Pero yung cheese sa ibabaw, ang sarap. Bagay to sa coffee, black coffee. Ilan pa ba? 2 cake pa. Okay, next. The blueberry pie. Ang ganda ng itsura, oh. Problema natin, paano natin siya kakainin? Ayun, thank you. We have to slice it. Okay, look at that. Okay. Artificial na artificial yung lasa ng blueberry. Yung crust, teka. I don't like that. Okay, and last but not the least, itong vanilla marble ring cake or bun cake. Tikman natin siya. Isa rin to sa lagi ko nakikita on sale, tas marami ring bumibili. So, but I haven't really tried it yet. Ang coffee nga to. Hindi siya matamis. Tapos, medyo toasted yung ano niya, yung outer layer, which is good. It adds to the texture. So yeah, it's just something that you will have while having black coffee. Actually, yung ditong part, ito, ang sarap niya. Flavorful siya. Nandun yung concentration ng vanilla and chocolate. Tapos yung medyo toasted nga siya. So it's good. Tapos yung loob malambot. Good. Okay, kanina akala ko last na yung vanilla marble cake. Hindi pa pala. I forgot the cheesecake. Tingnan mo siya. Medyo nagme-melt yung gitna niya. Ayan. So, natikman ko na to before. Ang sarap niya dati kasi if I'm not mistaken, it's like from the Cheesecake Factory. Pero, I haven't tried it in years, so try natin siya ngayon. It's so soft. It's still good. It's really, really good. Grabe. Sobrang lambot niya. I don't know kung nakikita niyo pero yan. Oh my God. It's so good. Buti na lang nakalimutan natin siya kasi literally we've saved the best for last. Okay, so natikman na natin lahat. For me, hit and miss siya. At least nagawa na natin yung fantasy natin na bilhin lahat ng makikita natin masarap dun sa bakery section and dun sa hot food section nila. Sayang lang wala yung sisig kasi yung talaga yung gusto kong itry tsaka yung ribs sana nila. But anyway, ang good for me that I would definitely buy again is the red velvet muffin. Actually, lahat ng muffin nila, lalo na to, ang sarap nito. And then the mocha caramel roll, ang sarap nun. The crinkles, chocolate fudge cake, the brownie, and ensaymada, and the lasagna, ang sarap. So anyway, yun lang for today. Maglalakad-lakad kami. Hopefully, hindi na umuulan sa labas para ma-burn natin yung kinain natin. So yun lang for today. I'll see you on the next vlog. Bye!